love it when I turn off the bass.
I mean, the sun is still possible. You just need to be a lot more familiar with the bone pile spawns. That's it.
I just thrusted Sunny, hit him 3 times.
Nice.
Let me go check for this barrier and then I'll be right up.
Right.
There's barriers here, I gotta break it.
Alright, we have a house piece up. It's in front bathroom.
Yeah, we got the worst RNG. There's a workshop valve spawn.
Oh, of course.
That's a shame.
Yeah. Destroy the door at front. Yeah, thank you. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, there's Leland here. Going in the house, going out. We went to just went to the crack, going to the back. He's welling, he's welling.
Welling.
Yeah, my
Oh, Missy didn't take the valve.
I'm gonna mark the Leland some
Tanya's
more.
got 375.
Marking someone in basement. It's Sunny.
Leland's going
Connie has
towards
800
ladder.
points. 800 points.
Holy shit, she just went up 500.
Oh, bridge.
Dude,
Bridge.
Bridge. Connie, try not to rush bridge challenge, level impossible. So boring, dude. So boring.
Yeah, she's already opened it. So I'm gonna need to be...
I just got barged by Leland.
Got a bad that respawn.
Leland's inside, going flash check.
Try to push him out for you.
Yeah, I need to stay here now.
Right now. He's out, kill him.
I just hit him 5 times with a thrust.
Really down.
He's flushing toilets.
Oh, snared! We can snared! Okay, nice. Yeah, but I need to stay around battery now.
Connie just got another 200 points.
Yeah, I think
Leland
so.
sink. Yeah, she picked my...
Container
Dude, Connie
bit?
is so broken. Yeah, containers completely open. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, Connie and Julie at the back of the house.
Marking Connie. Kill that OP character.
Yeah, I'm going after her.
Julie is going towards battery, I think.
Yeah. Okay, she's welling at battery valve.
Yep, I'm here for it.
She's going into the house. Oh no, she's welling as well. She's welling as well. Julie.
Yeah,
Same
you're
spot?
gonna get
Same
another
well.
kill. You're gonna get another kill, yep.
Nah, she might get up.
I think... Oh, she's still...
Julie's dead.
So you should
It's
probably
just
check for Sunny. I think I saw him
Battery,
going
maybe?
to battery, yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just staying here.
Yeah,
This is my new home now.
Yeah, Sunny is at bridge gate. Sunny's at bridge gate.
Alright.
Yep, he's still at bridge gate. He's gonna take the same well, maybe? No, he's just running away from me. Grandpa Shack. I'll start marking. Mark.
Yep. Going on him. Oh, look at him teabagging. I love it.
Yeah.
He's going to the house.
They lost on gas station with the Connie. That was immediately out. That's insane.
He door climbed me in the kitchen.
Nice.
I don't hit that.
He's going through the crack.
Yeah, he's criminal.
He's hurt bad. He's one shot.
Nice.
Oh, good game. Good game.
Good game indeed. Yeah, I should have been more at the bridge.
Yeah,
Like,
you're weird.
I just wanted to trap
Maybe we're
the
weird.
house.
Jeez.
No.
Because you literally focused me. What do you mean?
I focused you? You ran into a trap and then you welled. Why wouldn't I run down there?
Yeah, and you guys were constantly on me. 2 of you at least.
I mean, I
At all
killed
times.
3 of yous after welling, so I wasn't constantly on anybody, but GG's, man.
I mean, it was, but okay. Just like last time I played him.
I mean, no need to mob, my guy. You're 400 points. Just like, Shaz go next. You didn't do anything that game.
You're dog shit.
Cause should get more
Trash
trapping.
cans.
Dog
wait,
shit,
what's
baby.
back? So, what's the point of saying trash can when you just had 425 points last game?
Okay?
You got
Points
fucking
don't mean
smoked.
shit. Be honest with yourself.
Points do mean shit. That means you didn't do
It
nothing.
doesn't. What did Cook do? Just sit there and scam people? That means he's a god?
No,
Like,
he
shut the
was
fuck
calling
up.
out that you went down a well, and then I met you at the well, and I killed you.
Exactly.
What does that have to do with what I just said?
You said, what did he just do? And then you explained what you thought he did, and then I told you what he actually did. So do you see the difference there?
Yeah, but you're saying points means I'm dog shit.
Yeah, you have
all Cook did was
425.
just scan. He's not good.
No, he wasn't just scanning. He didn't scan anybody until, what, maybe Julie. And by
Either way,
that
anytime
time, I
play
already
you
had 2 of
guys,
your
I just
teammates
get
dead.
double teamed. That's all I'm saying.
Like, it's a different
Alright,
game.
now,
But it's
now you got
such a sweet
Slaughterhouse, so just ready up so you can show us how dog shit we are. In this game, I'm actually going to focus you.
Well, let's make sure this Leland dies. Please, no Leatherface lair spawn. That'd be really rough.
He just barged me. And
Of course he did.
It's not in Leatherface's lair.
So
he
he
doesn't
just
have a
wasted. So you're telling me that he wasted his shoulder at the beginning of
I
the
love
game?
it.
Yep.
Love it. Hopefully you have a good piece of fun.
I got one more door to break and then check for this barrier.
Not great, but good.
Level 99 Connie as well. The flag.
Yeah, I was right on her. Right on her.
Alright.
Doggone head.
I'm fucking sprinting so I can find her.
Yeah, Julia's already up somewhere.
I'm going through holding time, maybe I can intercept someone.
North storage, somebody went up. Oh, never mind,
Alright.
it's not unlocked.
Got the Connie one. You got someone in bone room going up holding pen, marking.
Alright.
Marking someone else in holding pen.
Just go down. Well, we got
I wanna
kind of
force
fucking
them
with the
up to
Oh,
it.
mouse.
that's it. Connie, she's marked. Garage.
Oh, I've got a Julie with me here. Also, left side soldier house.
I'm gonna come up there and help.
I think he's gonna valve. Can get a big hit on her. Oh, he just took a valve. He just took a valve,
Leland
Leland.
just took a valve. Yep.
Fuck.
I'll make my way down. I'm gonna camp valve.
Julie,
Yeah, he's already
welling.
collecting the bone scrap.
Fine dorsal good.
Oh, you just walked past Julie, Leatherface. Leatherface and Anna and Julie are both here. Leland is right there. I think left side facility's gone. Left side facility's gone.
Alright,
Connie is
going
on
now.
broken
Going now.
character.
I'm gonna do. He's not here anymore. Maybe hiding. Nice one, that's good. Oh yeah, oh, so the facility is completely open. Fuck.
Yeah, bullshit. Connie's broken as hell. Nothing you can do. I have 2 people coming to me, pump swords. I need help right now. 2 people coming to me. Oh no, he backed off,
I need to stop Connie. Yeah, Connie's on the gate now. We're gonna roll probably, or gonna try to make a roll.
2 people right there, Julie and Leland. I'll go walk in to give them a little love tap if possible. Oh no, he's
Yeah, she's welling at the generator. Don't really know where it goes.
That's south cell by furnace room.
Yeah, that's a bit other way maybe.
She's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
Leland's making his way again.
Yeah,
He's going to hell. Yeah,
Oh,
Connie's
beautiful.
more important for sure.
Yeah, that's always something. Alright, come forward.
I hit him 3 times.
I'm here.
I'm turning it.
I'll stay on him.
Yeah, the most important character is gone, so I think it's just smooth sailing from here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go upstairs because they're probably gonna try to come up here.
You should. Mark,
Yeah.
is someone upstairs for you? It's Julie?
Alright, I'm going back upstairs.
The Anna's
She's
purple
fine.
character.
Windows are good.
She just backstabbed me. She's going towards well. She's about to well right on you.
Alright.
If she wells on me. I don't think
Yep,
she should do
that's what
that.
she's about to do. She's coming
Nope.
over to you.
Okay, hitchhiker, let's kill this bitch. Hello.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
Check left side facility. I left it open. I shouldn't have came down here.
Leland is, yeah, Leland is here. Nice. Alright, so someone else here.
Alright, it's just Julie.
Marking
She's
someone
at-
else?
We're at.
Yeah, she's by holding pen. Like I saw a spike, but then she crouched down. She's holding pen area.
I'll go inside. You going outside?
Is he gonna? No. Oh, he might stick around to shit talk again. He got smoked on Slaughterhouse against a good team. Like, not doing him any favors. Okay, I'll go camp left side facility just to be sure.
Yeah.
Like, if there's only one person to help, it's in the red still, so. I'm marking her in basement. Marking her. Mark.
Here, Julie. She's camping by a barrier. There's a barrier right there.
Yeah, I'm coming with you.
She's probably gonna make a play for that barrier, and she does. She's
Yeah.
gonna-
No. She's
She's
climbing
running the
up.
ladder. Smart girl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's gonna be marked for a very long
Yeah,
time.
she just heard me in here.
I stay on her. Going towards the quack.
I missed that. No way.
That's usability now.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna come this way. Get over here.
I body blocked her for you.
My boy Z sticking around. Okay, buddy.
Yeah, there's gonna be something.
Z,
Yo,
what
GG.
happened, my boy? Oh, it's a GG now, huh?
Yeah, it was more of like a fair game, you know?
What do you mean?
I mean, that time you guys didn't just straight up focus me. Like, what do you mean?
Last time you didn't focus your ear, bro. Like, it just happened that I came across you in the
Sonny,
beginning
get
and
closer
well
to your
done.
mic. You're across the room.
It'll be on YouTube 7 o'clock tonight. And you can see that we didn't focus you
Strange.
on both games. I'll be sure to
Strange.
edit this before 7 so I can get it up for you. 7 o'clock Eastern.
Bet.